Okay, this is MGS Pawan once again back. In the previous video, we have discussed a set of problems. In this video, we will continue with the remaining problems. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that whenever I post the another set of problems, you will get notification. Let's start the problem. The question number is 5. Okay, it is given that in a certain town, 65% of families own cell phone. 15,000 families own a scooter and 15% family own the both, taking into consideration that the families own at least one of the two, the total number of families in the town. So here uh, I will write out the things what they are given. uh, 65% people have the cell phone. Okay, then 15,000 people have scooter, then 15% have both. So here they have asked you to find the total number of families in the town. Let the total number of families in town be x. I will consider this as to be an x. Now I will write this in the summation form because we need to know what is the total number of people. For that, what I will do, just I will write this as 65 times the x, because 65% of the total people in the town, divided by 100 plus again 15,000 of plus 15%. Here we have to take the negative sign here, because here the people have both cell phone and scooter. So in this case it becomes 15x divided by 100. Then total number of people, families will be x. Now solve this. How we can solve? 65x minus 15x divided by 100 plus 15,000 into x. This becomes 65x minus 15x. This will be 50x divided by 100 plus 15,000 is equal to x. Now write x in one side, another. Okay, this will become x minus 50x divided by 100 is equal to 15,000. Now 100x minus 50x divided by 100 into 15,000. Next 50x divided by 100 into 15,000. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 1 the 5 3 is a 15. So next multiply this side. So x is equal to 30,000. So let's see what is the options given here. So option here is the B is the correct one. Okay, option B is the correct one. Option B. Okay, now let's go for another question. Question number 6. In this, A and B are non-singleton set and n A into B is equal to 35. If B is the subset of A, then n of A combination of n of B. So here what we have to do, they are given A and B are non singleton set, and they have told that n of a cross b is equal to 35, and they have given the condition that if b is the subset of a, then n of a combination of n of b is what? So how you can find this is easy. So now n of a into b is equal to 35. So 35 comes in which table? It comes in 7 and 3 table. So how one can write this as 7 cross 5, or 7 into 5, or 5 into 7. Here you think you have to keep note one thing is these two are prime numbers. These both are prime numbers. Okay. Next, they have given the condition such that if B is the subset of A, then what are the values that B can take? B can have 7, B can have 7 or 5, and n of A. Okay, this will be directly right, and can have 7 or 5. So but the condition given is here, what condition is? B is the subset of A, which means that B is less than A, that is n of B is less than n of B, which implies that n of B is equal to 5 and n of A is equal to 7. Now how we can write n of A to n of B implies C 7 3. You can write this as 7 into 6 into 5. This is 5 factorial directly. This is 5 factorial. 5 get cancel, and next we will be having 7 6 42. So let's see in the out of this option which are there. So here the option is C. Option C is the correct one. Option C is correct. Let's go for next question. Question number 8. The value of cos 12,000 degree plus tan 14,850 degree 85 degree is what? So now let's consider cos first, and later on we can add cos 12,000. You can return cos 12,000 as cos of 360 degree into 3 plus 120 degree. Again cos of 120, how we can write? Cos of 90 degree plus 30 degree. Again cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, so sin of 30 degree. What is sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Similarly we can do for tan 14,485. This is 1200, sorry, 1485 degree. How we can write this as tan of 360 into 4 plus 45 times tan of 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Now add both. They have given cos 1200 plus tan 1485. This becomes minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So the correct option is here is option A. So correct option is A. Okay, now let's go for one more question. Question number 9. The value of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, so on up to tan 89 degree. So to solve this question, how we can write tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, this is into tan 3 degree, so on up to tan 89 degree. You will rewrite this as by rewriting in between terms tan 3 degree, so on up to tan 45 degree. Next tan 90 minus 44 degree into tan of 90 minus 43 degree, so on up to tan of 90 minus 1 degree. So if you do so, you'll get the same back, 90 minus 1, 89 degree. Next thing, tan of 1 degree, tan of 2 degree, tan of 3 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 44 degree, cot 43 degree, so on up to cot 1 degree. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. tan 1 degree into tan 1 degree, ಸಾರಿ tan 1 degree cot 1 degree. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ tan 2 degree into cot 2 degree. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದು 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ tan 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡಿಂದ ರೈಟ್, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಾಗ tan 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ cot 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ cot 45 ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ 44 ಇದೆ. tan 44 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ cot 44 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಂಟು tan 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಬಂದಾಗ tan 1 by cot 1, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ tan 2 by cot 2, so on up to tan 44 by ಇದು ಕಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು tan ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, tan ಇದು ಕೂಡ tan, ಇದು cot 44 ಇಂಟು tan 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟು 1 ಇಂಟು 1, ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು tan 45 ಅಂದರೆ 1. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನುಳಿದಿದ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.